Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can add a Facebook pixel on your Wix website. To do this, first go to wix.com and log into your account and then select site which you want to add a Facebook pixel. Now, after opening your dashboard, you have to find a marketing option from the left side. Search for it. You see here marketing. Just click on it. Now here you can see an option marketing home. Select it, and here you can see here. Scroll down and then search for keep your audience engaged section. Here you can see an option social media marketing, Google ads, email marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads, email automations, LinkedIn bio coupons, SEO. Now what you have to do, you have to search for marketing integration. If you don't find it here, you can search it from the search bar. Just write marketing integration. Here you can see my marketing integration. Select it. From here you will see an option Metapixel and CAPI. It is the Facebook pixel, so Facebook is one product of Meta, so that's the one. Select connect to here. Now what you have to do, you have to upgrade your site with a premium plan to connect Metapixel and CAPI. So you have what you have to do, you have to buy a plan from Wix, and then you can connect with Metapixel from here and follow their instructions, and you will be able to add Facebook pixel to your Wix website.